Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to the honorable judges, respected teachers, and my fellow students. My name is Azam Fadlur Rahman Ramadan. I am 16 years old and I am grade in 11 at High School PKBM ITE Karunia Peduli, Indonesia. I would like to begin with a powerful thought of literacy as a bridge from misery to hope. These are the words of Kofi Annan, former Secretary General of the United Nations, and today I stand before you to talk about that very bridge, literacy. Many people think literacy is simply the ability to read and write, but in reality, literacy is so much more. It is the foundation of education, the light of knowledge, and the key to opportunities in life. Without literacy, learning cannot grow, and without learning, society cannot progress. Think about how often literacy shapes our daily lives. When we read a text message, search for information online, or study for an exam, literacy guides us. When we want to understand the news, apply for a job, or even read the instructions on a medicine bottle, literacy empowers us. It protects us from ignorance and gives us independence. But literacy is not only about practicality, it is also about freedom. Through reading, we can travel to worlds we have never seen, meet people from different times and cultures, and discover ideas that can inspire us to dream bigger. Through writing, we can express our voices, share our thoughts, and leave behind a mark that will outlast us. Sadly, millions of people around the world still do not have this gift. And even among us, many young people stop reading once the exam is over. We spend hours scrolling on social media and forget that books and meaningful writing can sharpen our minds and strengthen our character. Literacy is like a muscle. The more we use it, the stronger it grows. So, my message today is clear. Do not see literacy as just a school requirement. See it as a lifelong treasure. Read something meaningful every day, even if it's just a few pages. Write your thoughts, even if it's only in a diary. And most importantly, share the gift of literacy with others. Ladies and gentlemen, literacy is power. The power to learn, the power to express, and the power to shape our future. Let us not take it for granted. Let us use it, grow with it, and spread it. Thank you, because literacy is not just letters on a page, it is life in motions. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.